So for I want to say almost a couple of months, we've been getting terrorized by a cardinal. I don't know if y'all can hear him, but here he is. He'll come back. He'll fly into the window. He keeps seeing his reflection, and he keeps attacking the window. I don't know what's bro's problem, but he out there talking and hooting and hollering and keep flying into the window. He gotta have brain damage by now. But I know it because he sees his own reflection. He's trying to attack it. It's mating season. Still funny though. Terrorist. Look at him. Look at him. He's fed up. Get that reflection, little gangster.